Hi all, welcome to Excelytics, the Analytics Hub, the best place to kickstart your analytics journey. A few days ago, we shared a video on COVID cases count across the world. We used Power BI and we showed this chart using an animated bar chart race. I hope you all liked it. Since then, we started thinking, is it not possible to create the same kind of chart using Excel? Why not? We can create it. But the only question is that, Excel doesn't have such animated charts inbuilt. So we used VBA to animate the chart. So in this particular example, we are going to show you how to create an animated chart. So here's the animated bar chart. So let us take a look at it first, and then we'll explain how it's created. I'll just click on this start race and just take a look at it. And we have the data from 31st December 2019. And I just clicked on it. And you see this one, as the days are increasing here in this particular box, and India rank is here, and the number of cases when they were initially recorded, these were like a little less in the other countries, but China had more number of cases. And then slowly, if you see, the pace of the COVID cases significantly increased in almost all the countries, and they are now into thousands, and we are still in March, and India rank was 41, and then you see that 30s, 20s, and you see the rest of the countries. And USA, it's way too ahead in terms of the number of COVID cases. And India rank in May, yeah, it's now into almost 10, 9, 8. See that? So you may be thinking, this is definitely not an inbuilt chart, right? Here you go. We used a regular bar chart of Excel, but inside this, to show the progress, using the days here, we used VBA code. So now India is in the 3rd rank. So we got the data until 24th July 2020. And as on that date, India stood at, rank 3. So you might have so many questions around it, like how the bar chart was actually, showing an animation there. It's, as I said, it's an inbuilt Excel chart. Okay. So to create this one, first of all, we downloaded the data from one of the website. I provided the link here. You can download it from there. And after that, we just copied, pasted that data. Once that is done, I created a small data table here, a small kind of a model, just to, control day by day how the progress is. And then we picked up only the top 15 countries to be shown in the chart. So I just named it as chart data. And then finally, a bar chart race. So as I mentioned earlier also, there is some VBA code running in the background. Let me hit Alt F11 to take you to that VBA editor. And there you see few declarations and chart related, sheet related, and the data and the lower date and upper date in the data. And there is a small loop running. In this loop, we were controlling the dates. So let me go back to the data model that we created. And as I said, this particular data model is actually dependent on this date. So when I input here 12/31/2019, you see that only China, there were like few cases. But if I change that to maybe December, instead of December 31st, I'm changing it to February 15, 2020. You see that most of the countries have few numbers, and China had 66,000. And as if we take today's date, and these are the numbers, And you may be thinking how these things are getting updated. It's very simple. It's a simple sum ifs formula. You all know that most of the Excel users, how sum ifs formula works. Most of you know this, right? So using VBA, we were able to control this date to increase by 1 day for every iteration of this for next loop. And once we increase the date, and the sum if formula automatically calculate anything that is lesser than or equal to that particular date. So using this simple technique, we were able to loop it from the lower date till the upper date, which is nothing but 24th of July 2020. And every iteration, we were just updating the data there with the help of a sum ifs formula. And we were just delaying it with 500 milliseconds. As a result of which, what happens, the bar chart that you see here, it gives you an illusion that actually it is animated, but it's actually not. Every iteration, the day is increasing. Using that date, sum ifs formula is recalculated. Using that output, the chart data is also recalculated. And as a result, finally, you will be able to see that in the chart, something that looks like an animated chart. This is the technique we used. Probably if you know any other better way of creating animations like this, you can respond in the comments. Just mention that. Probably we'll also try that one, because Excel is an ocean, as you all know. So we will also try to come up with using the technique that you share with us. So you can download this file from the link that is provided in the description of this video. I hope you like this magic. Yeah, so this is for all Excel lovers. We know that Excel can also do so many things like this, like any other data analytical tools like Power BI, Tableau. So just wanted to show you once again the power of Excel and macros. If you like this video, please share it with your friends, colleagues, and let them know the power of Excel and macros. You can do a lot like this. Please subscribe to Excelytics channel to get more interesting updates like this. Hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching.